Welcome to the wildest jungle adventure, where I am clearly the fearless leader today!
Watch this, Tiger. I'll show you how to swing.
Okay, Coco, be careful.
That was a perfectly calculated demonstration of advanced jungle acrobatics. Every great warrior practices surprise rolling techniques. Surprise rolling techniques!
Volume is not everything when strategy is superior.
Watch me, Tiger. I'll show you how to climb. Climbing is about intelligence, not just stripes. Oh, space. Observe the master of extreme jungle balance skills. Speed and unpredictability make me unstoppable. I am mastering the royal jungle stride right now.
Perfect landing as planned with dynamic Tiger support. Navigation control is clearly in my capable hands.
Today, I train the jungle's most powerful striped student.
Witness the greatest jungle partnership in history!
Stealth is about confidence, not invisibility. Wake! Roar quality improves with daily practice and courage. This is elite jungle performance art. Intimidation is a psychological strategy. That was advanced mud gliding technique.
More like a crash landing.
Crash? No, a perfect technique.
Every swing ends with Tiger Power ability!
Watch this, Tiger. You just flick it. Physics sometimes needs jungle adjustment. Whoa, nice adjustment, Coco. Today we dominate every corner of this jungle.
Royal presence requires exaggerated confidence. Perfect synchronization like true jungle legends.
Watch this, Tiger.
Okay, Coco.
Teaching includes practical demonstrations.
Hey, Tiger, come on up. You got it, Coco. That was just a bravery test.
Tiger, let's have a staring contest.
All right, Coco, ready when you are.
I win. Laughter builds stronger jungle friendships.
You're right, little friend.
Style matters more than simplicity.
Behold, the unstoppable jungle champions!
Improvisation is my greatest jungle talent.
Every wild journey needs fearless friendship and humor. This jungle adventure has only just begun! Attention, jungle! From today, I am the official commander! Tiger, adjust your royal speed to match my dramatic style!
Observe, Tiger. I'm practicing advanced king-level walking techniques. See? The wild swings build royal momentum. Admit it, I'm a natural at this. This is professional jungle reaction training for improving royal reflexes. See? Your reflexes are getting better.
Every king needs a crown, and I am the moving golden crown of the jungle. Hold still, Tiger. A crown must sparkle. Onward, my noble steed, to the jungle.
This is a bravery test, Tiger.
A test? For jungle champions?
Yeah, specially designed for us.
All right, let's do it!
Woohoo! You're doing great! All right, Tiger. Today's lesson is how to jump like a true jungle athlete. Okay, Coco, I'll try. Watch this.
Great try! You're getting it!
Thanks, Coach.
Jungle partnership requires smart weather management, Tiger.
And getting soaked is not smart?
Exactly. That's where advanced leaf technology comes in.
I see.
Whoa, slippery! Hang on, Tiger!
Hey!
We're premium Jungle Mud Edition heroes!
Tiger, today you are promoted to Royal Jungle Fashion Ambassador. And every ambassador needs a crown of flowers. There, now you look perfect. From this superior viewpoint, Tiger, I can see your serious face needs at least 20% more happiness for proper jungle leadership. Time to test these premium jungle flavors for royal approval.
Royal approval? These are just berries. Don't get carried away.
But these are special, trust me.
I'll be the judge of that.
Tiger, I challenge you to a slow-motion walking competition.
You're on, little monkey.
The winner is the Jungle Drama King of the Year.
We'll see about that.
Whoa, a squeak! It's a remix! Jungle roaring technology!
A remix, huh?
Yeah, it's the future! Right, keep practicing. Tiger, I challenge you to a slow-motion royal walking competition.
A walking competition? You're on, little monkey.
The winner is crowned the Jungle Drama King of the Year.
Ha! We'll see about that.
Whoa, Tiger, losing my balance. Surprise balance test. It's for our heroic friendship skills.
Very heroic.
See? We make a great team.
Behold, Royal Balance Therapy! For jungle legends like us. Feel the harmony and power! We're unstoppable! Aerial jungle skills are essential for elite adventure partners. Your Majesty, even kings need their reflections aligned for public appearances.
Is that so?
Absolutely. A little tweak here, a pat there.
I see.
Every jungle king deserves a childhood upgrade experience. A king maintains his dignity. See? You're having fun.
Hey, Tiger, let's race to those pods.
You're on, Coco. Prepare to lose.
Not with my zigzag speed. It's champion level.
Ha! Steady wins the race, little monkey.
We'll see about that. Wow, look at all the fireflies. They're like stars. We're walking on a red carpet. We're jungle celebrities now. This is the best adventure ever. Wow, look at all the fireflies. They're like stars. We're walking on a red carpet. We're jungle celebrities now. This is the best adventure ever. Hey there, Big Stripes. Banana, spice, buy and get one free.
They look good. What's the catch?
No catch. Plus a free jungle.
A lecture? On what?
Banana foraging tips, a real steal. All right, I'll take 2 bunches. Surprise reflex training for elite jungle warriors.
Steady now, little one.
See? You're getting faster already. We are the unstoppable legends of the wild. Together, nothing can stop us. Let's go explore. Tiger, watch this. My royal face.
Not bad. Show me more.
I'm studying advanced royal techniques.
Good. Keep practicing.
Controlled gas for adventure testing.
You're all wet, Coco. That's the best part. Let's go again.
With teamwork, we're the strongest duo in the whole jungle ecosystem. No one can beat us when we stick together.
Precision landings are proof of professional jungle partnership.
Hey, Tiger, watch me step lightly. Okay, Coco, I'll try. Good start. This agility is key for a jungle leader. Wow, I get it now. Great, let's practice more.
Even though I bring chaos and comedy every day, our friendship makes the jungle brighter and more exciting.
Even though I bring chaos and comedy every day, our friendship makes the jungle brighter and more exciting. Goodbye, friends! Even though I bring chaos and comedy every day, our friendship makes the jungle brighter and more exciting. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe!